Welcome back, folks. I believe this is day 3 of the grow room build. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and first things first, break time. Now let's get started. All I did was take a 1x3 and I attached it to the floor using spray foam. From that side all the way to the garage door. Of the 1x3 standing up, I just screwed it down. Okay, this is the concept, guys. I'm gonna spray some foam gap sealer in that corner and in this channel. I pre-drilled some holes and set some screws in there to hold the board into place while it dries. These screws will go all the way through, tie into this one to squeeze that board and lock it in. All I did is put in the uprights and then put in another foam holder. I'm gonna foam in here and put the next sheet in. Stand by. Break time. I'm the boss on this job. Me, myself, and I. Where you go behind the wall and there's only 2x4s holding up a single wall just for looks. Yeah, that's it. Non-structural movie set. Non-structural movie set, that's what it is. Looks good from far, but far from good. But it's gonna do the job. They say this thing's supposed to give you wings. That's funny. I didn't turn into an angel yet.
Doctor says, don't drink Red Bull, but I am still waiting for my wings.